How to check hardware ID in Windows 11. This tutorial shows you two quick ways to find it, depending on what you need it for. First, open the search bar on your computer. From there, type in Device Manager and click to open it. After that, find the specific device you want the hardware ID for, like your graphics card or network adapter. At this point, right-click on it. Following this, click Properties. From here, click the Details tab. At this stage, click the drop-down under Property. Following this, scroll down and select Hardware IDs. Once selected, you'll see the full hardware ID listed right below, ready to copy if needed. If you're looking for your overall system hardware ID instead of a specific device, there's a second method using Command Prompt. From here, open the search bar again. At this stage, type in Command Prompt. Following this, right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. From here, type in the command to display your system's UUID and press Enter. Once entered, your system's unique hardware ID will display directly in the command prompt window. That's how you check hardware ID in Windows 11 using two different methods. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. Catch you then.